Get him. She's so careful. Jump in there. Good girl. Good boy. Do it. Yes, yes, yes. Go on. Get him. Oh, there's his butt. Get him.
Swat that thing.
Get him. Get him. All right. Good girl.
We gotta count how many times she hit him there.
Yeah. Good, good. All right. Good, good kittens. Good girl. Good boy. I mean, he's basically pinned him. Anything else he can do. Basically, he could like take his fur off and say, here, take a shot. Let me just get these claws out. Oh, she's going to get him from the top. I love it. Get him.
Oh, yeah.
Get him. He had to shake that one off. Good kitties. Good kitties. If I posted this, people would be like, you're awful. They're just playing. I want them to play. Good kitten. If I started this bumblebee, they'd probably start fighting over that. Oh, my God. So cute. Hey, buddy. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Hey. Good boy.
It's safe.